teacher, and good morning all you guys.
Morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Wei Hong. I come from St. Louis, and I'm talking about the Ponga story. The title name is The Cleaning Woman. Once upon a time, a woman was cleaning the street. A woman worked hard cleaning the street, and I suppose dirty and smelling. Other people doesn't like her, and when they saw her, they ran away, and one day when the reporter talked to her nicely, and the people were surprised. They asked the reporter, "You asked us to be clean. Why are you talking to her?" And the reporter replied, "Even her clothes dirty and smelling, but her mind is clean. And she's polite, and she works hard for other people." And some people look clean and tidy, but their mind are full of bad thoughts. And they don't just look at our appearance. Please look deeply